How to lock Instagram with Face ID on any iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Shortcuts app. Here we go. You will land to the Shortcuts page. Now at the bottom, you will find different options. Click on the option of Automation. Click on New Automation. Scroll down, find the option of App. Once you find it, open it. Now over here, you will find the option of App. Click on Choose. Search for the app Instagram. After app appears, click on it. Click on Done. Now check in for the option of Run immediately. Click on Next. Now click on New Blank Automation. Click on Add Action. Over here type in Lock. Click on Lock Screen. Click on Done. With that, you have just logged your Instagram. Now you can close this. Now whenever you open your Instagram app, it will require Face ID. So this is how you can lock Instagram with Face ID on any iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.